getting started. Our class today is going to be about installing Python. You need to make sure Python runs on your system before going ahead, otherwise your codes won't work. After that, we're going to install PyCharm. PyCharm is an integrated development environment. All our code will be run through PyCharm. You could run your code without PyCharm though. I'll show you how to do that, but our code basically will be running on PyCharm. So without wasting time, let's get started. I want to go to Python. This is it. Navigated to it, to the site already, but if you're not here, you could just type Python download, and then the first result on the search engine result page, it's gonna be with. So look for the version that is compatible with your operating system. Mine is Windows. I'm downloading Python for Windows. This is it. You could download for Linux and other operating system. So I have this downloaded already on my system, so I'm not going to do it, but you go ahead, download it just to make sure. In fact, go ahead, once it is done, come to your file explorer and then your downloads folder. They are going to see everything you've downloaded. Okay, so this is it. Double click on it and then it should start. Then it should start installing. Now you are seeing this now because I already have it downloaded, otherwise you wouldn't see this. So, and if you already had it in your system, you see something like upgrade. Instead of modify or repair or install, you're going to see the option of upgrade. So go ahead, click on upgrade to make sure we are using the same version. Okay, mine is 3.10. Alright, so that shouldn't take you time to run. The downloading, however, takes time. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes depending on your internet speed and your hardware. Okay, alright, so do that. Are you sure you want to cancel? Yes, I want to cancel. Now this is no big deal. Let's go to my command prompt and then we'll see the version of Python I'm using. Please go ahead and do this once you're done downloading and installing. Alright, type Python in full, or I could just do Py. It will still work. Here we go. Python 3.10 blah 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 blah. Okay, it's working. Exit and exit command prompt. So the next one I'm going to do is install PyCharm. Again, I already had that downloaded, but for the sake of the class, I'll show you how to do that. PyCharm. Click on the first result, which is this PyCharm. What we're looking for is the community version, which is free. So click on download up here. Okay, let it load. Come on. I'll click on the X button to stop it and then click on download again. What's up with the internet? Okay, it's opened. Alright, so again, I have this downloaded already, but yours, it's not the same with you. Click on download and then it should start downloading. Once it is once it's fully downloaded, come to your file explorer, open your downloads, and then I'm going to see it something like this. Okay, so already it's downloaded and installed already. Right click on it and then run as administrator. Come on. Do you want to allow blah blah blah? Yes. Please wait while setup is loading. Verify installer. Go ahead. Current version of PyCharm Community Edition is already installed. Do you wish to continue? Yes. Next. Okay, this is where I will stop. So normally I will uninstall, click this, and then click on this, but you're not going to see this because that is a fresh installation you're using. On a second thought, let me do it. So this will uninstall the PyCharm on my system. Next. Good. So here we are. This is actually what I wanted to show you. If not for this, I wouldn't have bothered uninstalling my previous version, but I needed you to see this. Check this. Check these boxes. This will create a shortcut on your desktop, so it will be easy for you to navigate your PyCharm anytime you want to make use of it. And these two, update path variable. So to add a path variable, it will add a bin to your folder called path. Okay, so these very two boxes are very important. Okay, next and next. Okay, so we're back. Our installation is finished. Took approximately 3 to 5 minutes, and a reboot is necessary because of you included this on the path folder. But I'll just go on finish with the video before I do a restart. So finish.